So these pieces go back here. You'll see them, pretty self-explanatory. These pieces you have to mount like that. They mount in existing holes. This piece mounts right there. Pretty much the same thing on the other side. When you're doing this, put all the Velcro on all the printed pieces first. Pre-cut, measure, put them on there, get them all on there. This is one long piece cut in half. So that one long piece covers both sides. Top goes through those existing holes, yada yada yada. Put all the Velcro on the parts. Take one piece of Velcro, cut it to length, peel the back off, barely put it on there, nice and light. I have to set this camera up. Take the body. I always use this area up here for reference. Spread the fenders. Get the body up here right. Slowly push the fender over, down, then onto the Velcro. Slide your fingers under there, pull it off. You'll have a reference for the next piece of Velcro. Do these first. You got the body on there. You can see where you need to put that piece of Velcro on the body on the inside. As long as this is lined up, as long as that's lined up, you'll be able to see it. Pretty much goes from there to there on the inside of the body. You can put that piece on, you can put the other piece on the other side, no big deal. Once the sides and the backs are done, do this one. Put Velcro on that, put one piece of Velcro on there, peel the back off. Make sure you got this lined up before you set the hood down. Get that lined up. I don't know if you can see that. Push the hood down onto the Velcro. Pull it off, put your Velcro, your next piece of Velcro next to it, use that as reference. The top is the very last. Pretty self-explanatory. Again, put a piece of Velcro on there. When you do the top, make sure you got it up. That's lined up. Push the Velcro on, pull everything back off. Push the Velcro on really tight, and you're good to go.